Whether you love frosted mini cupcakes or simple pumpkin muffins, these are the easiest fall treats. I love making these this time of year and they're so quick to whip up. Let me show you how I made them. I'm starting by whisking 2 eggs with a splash of vanilla. Then I'm adding half a cup of buttermilk and half a cup of avocado oil. Next goes in the whole box of Simple Mills pumpkin muffin and bread mix. Just mix until everything comes together. I'm folding in some freshly chopped pecans for extra flavor. Now I'm filling my mini cupcake liners and bake them at 350 for about 20 minutes. While they bake, I'm making a quick cream cheese frosting. Softened butter, cream cheese, a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and a little vanilla. Mix until smooth and creamy. Once the cupcakes are done, I let them cool on a rack, then decorate with that frosting and chill them before serving. These are so cozy to enjoy with a cup of peppermint tea, and they make the sweetest little lunchbox treats or fall baking activity with kids. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more family-friendly recipes and fun ideas. And I'll see you in the next one.